What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we nailed SPY put options. Another home run day, best take profit, 77% gain, and I have the live trade. Check it out. Oh guys, before I forget, remember to join the live stream. I stream Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. and we do our pre-market planning together here on the channel. So make sure to join the live stream, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so when I go live, you get alerted. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this recap here on the day. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you smash the like button for me. Helps out, it gives health to the channel. Believe it or not, it's not about vanity purposes. Now, today in the Discord, we nailed it on the SPY put options, guys. Okay, we were all over these SPY put options. We talked about them yesterday. We talked about them today in pre-market. We talked about them yesterday in the live stream in the evening, right? These SPY put options were my main trade idea since yesterday's SPY dump fest. All right. So today, when small caps were not looking as great as they were yesterday in the afternoon, I was like, SPY put options. And as soon as SPY put options gave me the trigger, I did not hesitate. I immediately jumped into the trade and went after it, set my stop loss area, and just went ahead and started booking profits when the trade started to work in my favor. And here what we'll do, guys, is we'll jump into this recap and go over that SPY chart. Now, let's jump in here. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, there's a link to the Discord in the comment section and the description section of this video. Now, this morning, guys, we were talking about SPY puts. If 467 area cracked, okay, if that 467 area cracked, we were talking about SPY puts. Why that 467? Well, look at this daily chart right here. You see on this circle here, that's a top on that day. This arrow right here is showing you support in that 467 area. Right here, what do we have? Another top in that 467 area, right? What do we have over here? Another support at 467 area. Here, another support at 467 area. Yesterday, another support in that 467 area. And this morning, the SPY opened up. You can see it right here on the intraday chart. And we pull in, and when we got a really nice bounce. We got a really nice bounce off of 466.30 or so. And the SPY just rips all the way up here to 469. It looked like an OTC chart. And then at the same time that this was happening, I was watching stocks like KTTA, I was watching ISPC, I was watching PTPI, as a matter of fact, and I was a little bit upset that I didn't catch my fill down here on this pullback on PTPI, okay? But I was out of the corner of my eye still watching SPY on this monitor over here. And when the SPY broke underneath VWAP right here, and the 10-year treasury yield jumped up, SPY dumped under VWAP, and right as soon as I saw that, I went ahead and entered my put options. Now, the put options that I entered were the 465 strike tomorrow, November 24th expiration date, and my first entry on these were at $1.32. All right, I got in here. I got in here on these candles here. And I did add, and I have the live trade, and I'm going to bring that one into frame here. Now, that was my initial entry, and here was my ad. Okay, that was my ad. That put my cost basis at about $1.20 something. When I picked up more shares, or I'm sorry, more contracts up here at $1.10, my stop was going to be over this zone. Okay, if we broke up over that zone, I was going to stop out of this position, take my loss. And then, of course, you know, my first take profit always down here, okay? So that was what I was looking at. Now, let me grab the live trade here real quick for you. I had 10 contracts at $1.33 cost basis, and I'm just holding on to them, looking to see if we're going to make new lows or if we're going to get back up there in front of that VWAP zone and reject. That's where I would add to full size up there, okay? So there's one clip, and now here is the final clip that has everything. So here we go. I'm in finally the 20 contracts off of that VWAP rejection on the SPY. 20 contracts, cost basis $1.21. These are the 465 strikes, tomorrow's expiration. This is a 30-40 minute trade, so we'll go ahead and just fast forward it throughout. Here you can see on the chart, you see that we're testing that 9 EMA VWAP zone. and we're rejecting it, and we're just coming back down. At the same time as this is happening, I'm keeping an eye on the 10-year treasury yield. I'm making sure that that 10-year treasury yield stays in that 1.64, 1.65 area. I don't want it to get, I don't want it to drop too much more. I want that thing to accelerate and make this SPY roll over. Now, right there, we're seeing what? We got that 9 EMA cross over VWAP, and now that 9 EMA is what? Holding up as resistance. I'm still in the full position, but we get down here in front of the lows. I take 5 contracts off right there. Boom, book a little profit. We extend a little bit. I take another 5 off right there. Boom, I got 10 contracts now. Now these 10 contracts are from this final add up here. It gives me $1.10 cost average. And now these are the ones that are really going to pay me, right? I take another 5 there. And then these 5 here, I should really start scaling out of them little by little. We've already gone from 467 all the way down to 466. These contracts went from $1.10 to $1.50. So you better believe I'm going to take some profits off. We get a strong bounce there seemingly into that 9 EMA. I tell you guys, I'm going to use that 9 EMA as my stop loss. I get on the microphone. I tell you guys in the Discord, I'm going to use that 9 EMA as my stop loss area. Right here, I get one more contract off. Now I'm down to 4 from my initial 20 contracts. I sell 2 more contracts there to $1.64 from $1.10. Boom, I'll take that any day of the week. We extend further. 10-year treasury yield goes up a little bit more. We get back down there to the lows, and that low, that 465.69 area, there was a potential daily level at 465.35 or so. Jerry, DTC Pro certified member there, noticed it. And that level starts to kind of hold support. But I'm still in those final two. It makes it easy to hold on to these when I'm already up a real nice home run on the day, all right? And this 9 AMA is showing such a nice level of resistance. We get up there and I say, guys, if we crack above this 9 AMA with some strong volume, if we have a strong crack, I'll sell out of the last 2 contracts. Otherwise, I'm going to hold on to them. And there we go. We pierced through it, but the volume was weak. We get right back underneath it. And you're showing that it's moving. And then we get that. We get that all the way back down to the lows. I put an order out for a fill at 179. See it right here. We're going off at 172, 171. And right there, 179 on the ask. We're down here at the low of day. New lows 465.61. I get my fill there at 179. And the SPY extends lower. I put another order out at 194 and boom, basically insta fill. Right there, boom, 194 from $1.10, 77% gain. I'll take it all day long on that last take. Awesome day, up over 600 bucks on the day. I'll take it all day long. So it's a great day. Yesterday was very similar and just super happy with the performance of the team. Everybody calling out trades in the Discord, the performance there on that SPY trade, sticking to the trade plan, initial entry, add, stop, right? And what do? Take profits, just take profits all along the drops here. Right? Until I'm finally flat down there. Taking the bulk of this move, we traded it, we booked profits, 77% gain, nothing to, to like lift your nose at. That's money. We did really well on this trade. And more than the P&L, the execution of this trade plan was epically good because this is a trade plan that I established yesterday when we went over the SPY, yesterday in the live stream in the evening, today in pre-market in the live stream, today in pre-market in the Discord. We went over this trade plan, and as soon as I saw it, we attacked it. Why? Because when you know what you want to do, a day before it happens, once it triggers, you don't hesitate. You jump on it. And we banged out a sick trade. So congratulations, team. Well, guys, that is it for me today. If you enjoyed this, if you learned something, if you found value in the video, make sure to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you traded today. This is why it's so important to plan your trades and trade your plans, because this is a plan I came up with yesterday. in the evening, and we executed today on it in the morning perfectly. As soon as the opportunity presented itself, bang, 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 bang. Awesome trade. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.